thing I gotta do is get Chris in it.
Who's got the hot dogs?
There you go. These are all the witnesses to the incident at Anson County.
So what did we determine happens here? We don't know?
We don't know.
I don't have any idea.
What do you mean?
Well, this is what happens when
you have to do to purge to get the fuel to where it goes? And all that's built in.
That's always a questionable sound.
No, that sounds like it's
Sound like something trying to get out.
We got fuel pumping.
Hey, let me out, let me out.
Ready?
Hey, am I supposed to have the red button on? Yeah. I'm counting up, so I'm good. Hey, Rodney, would you cover my nuts for me? I'm using both hands.